Silal Biatsangi, daughter of Silal Aṭanga, late Zemobo. Silal Ramoi, daughter of Ramthara Vengwai. Silal Rinsangi, daughter of Silal Mangaya, electric Veng Lunglei. Silal Mangi, daughter of Kamkhan Kapa, Bethel Veng Champai. Chakshu Rajput, son of Vikram Singh, Kathua, Jammu and Kashmir. Cindy Lalsanswai, daughter of Dong Chakima, Mari West. David Malsom Tuanga, son of Lalmuan Puya Gulsi. Emily Lalswan Umi, daughter of B.Sc. Laramlua, New Diakon Gulsi. Selina MC Laro Kimi, daughter of MC Larin Tangale, Kata South. H. Lalmuan Umi, daughter of H. Ladingliana, College Bank. K. Zoram Moye, daughter of Zodin Moya, Tanshil Banker. Lalsan Himi, daughter of Lalswan Moya, Ramthar North. Lalfel Kimi, daughter of Kailal Sanga, Zemapok South. Lalian Tuangi Silo, daughter of Lalshwai Zela, Ramhun South. Lalnun Moi, daughter of Vanal Ruatavarte, Bongkong. Madam Zunga Long Tukan Soye, Madam Hi MCON Tan Mipoy Motak Ni In Akai Shwai Nanwaya MCON Yan Masona Shong Tan Te Pani. Madam, even after you have left MCON, you are still very much in our hearts. Thank you once again.
Tuna Academic Excellence Award Hanna Kanlaw Nayanga Academic Excellence Award he first semester Pumpui La Koma Mizoram University Exama Titaber top 3 lang patin he na han chinane kumina hian graduate long thei pakhat kan naya e award hian certificate memento le sumfai cheng sang thum akin telani tin kumin atangin he award hian perpetual award akin tel pokani chu running trophy dia kan share martin zo khani award nang lan sakturin kwalian zom tak buke saptanga ilaw somang I would like to request the student to please come up and accept this award. Lianding Pui Mar, daughter of Lianzang Mar Durtlang, Ali has CGPA 8.34, a score of distinction at Chatakinapasa and Patuna Aranhau Adim. Lianding Pui Alzela So ito angin Lianding Pui hi MCON Perpetual Award dong masaper
Now we shall continue with the graduate felicitation. I would like to request our chief guest, Mr. Kesa Aṭanga, the Honorable Home Minister, to please kindly do the honor. And right after this, speech from the chief guest shall follow.
Graduates that being kawin ilaw chhuakte niya Lalrin Diki, daughter of Lalming Liana Kulikon. Lel Thamwan Pui, daughter of C. Lel Roki Malay, Project Veng, Policy. Lel Tan Louis, Rural Puya, New Capital. Lian Ding Pui Mar, daughter of Lian Zama Mar, Durutlang. R. Lel Fel Pui, daughter of R. Lel Mak Liana, Durutlang, Melnga. R. Lel Som Tuangi, daughter of Lel Rindika, Ratu. Ravinder Kumar, son of Sadhuram, Jammu and Kashmir. Rausang Pui, daughter of MC Lelzirliana, Bethlehem Vekang. Siam Tan Tuangi, daughter of Lelian Tuangalay, Timveng, Vairekte. Ki Lelmangay Zwali, daughter of Dukima, Venglai, Lulay. Ti Vanal Pek Lui, daughter of TC Lalkuma, Zunpui. Vanal Biak Philip, daughter of CL Rohuna, Nalan. Vala Shwaizeli, daughter of Lel Ompui Alay, Diakon, Policy. Vala Muan Omi, daughter of Lian Zwala, Muntarve. Zai Thang Pui, daughter of C. Thangvonga, Sang Thang.
Kan kwalian tu zoi turin kan song male